starving. I'm so hungry. I'm eating these. As you can see, I'm home. I'm back home. I don't know. I'm happy to be home. The screen was kind of weird. I'm happy to be home, but it's sad. I guess that's what comes with going. It's coming back. I'm feeling sad. I'm starving. It is 11. And we just got home. I didn't vlog anything. Just because I'm just so tired, guys. Like, I don't know how people do it, but I'm tired. So the reason I started vlogging right now is because Jose Luis, my husband, we got in a little argument yesterday. Nothing big, like nothing big whatsoever. But we got in a little argument, and I'm that type of person that like won't speak to you just because I'm mad. It was nothing big. I'm not gonna talk about it, but it's stupid. It's just so stupid. But so I showered last night, and he said I put something in your suitcase. He told me that when we checked the bags. So obviously I couldn't look at them because the bags were already checked. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I was not even gonna open it, and then I remembered. I just want to see what it is. Like, what I'm really hoping it is I love letters. Like, I love his letters. It's been a while since I don't get one. I got one for my birthday, but like there's never too many letters. If it's a letter, like, I'm happy. So let's see. Right here, guys. You ready, Kira? Are you ready to see what it is? Oh. Okay. He said it was on one of my daughter's Mickey Mouse. I think it's her pajamas. What he's talking about. But he said he put it in there. So it's a letter, guys. It is a letter. It's a letter. It's a letter, guys. Oh my gosh, this makes me so happy. Like, I think he stuck this into my suitcase this morning, not last night. Because it said, in a few hours you're going to be going. Tomorrow I go to work again. So tomorrow I get up earlier than when I go to work because tomorrow I'm taking this lighting. Sucks. What do you want? There we go. Tomorrow I'm taking my sister to go get her wisdom teeth removed. Like she has to be there at 8. So, this is so good. She has to be there at 8, so she's going to be here at like 7:45, which means I have to get up and get ready for work before we leave because I'm going to wait for her there. Yeah. But, yeah, guys, I'm tired. I'm exhausted. I'll see you guys sometime tomorrow. Bye, guys. Guys, my sister got her wisdom teeth taken out, and she's like drugged right now. We got out of the car. She's here right now. I'm going to go show you. But we got out of the car. She started crawling outside. I don't know, like, what is she doing? Amani, ¿te quieres cambiar las gauze?
Oh, yeah.
Just go.
I don't.
Why are you crawling? I don't get it. Okay, so I'm gonna. Are you sure you're not gonna choke on these?
No.
You're not gonna choke on these?
Mm-mm.
Okay. I don't know how to do this. I'm running. I really do not know what I'm doing. Is that too wet? Was that too wet?
You put one inside of.
Yeah, I have that. But is it too wet now?
No.
Gosh.
Oh my god, I'm bleeding.
Yeah, you're bleeding.
Oh my god, like.
I don't know what to do.
Did you shower?
I showered you. Okay, go sit down.
Okay.
What time do you need your first pill?
Did you shower? No. Right. I don't know.
I'm ready. Wait. Stay there. No. I'll help you. It's pesada. Good morning, guys. It is March 16, 9:14 in the morning. It is Saturday, so I don't work today. I did work yesterday. Yeah. Oh, this house is a mess. This sweater smells like my husband because he had it for like 2 or 3 years. Súbete. It's like a really old sweater that I have, but it smells like him. I miss him.
Mano.
¿Dónde está papá?
Papa.
¿Dónde está papá?
Papa.
¿Dónde está?
Baby.
Oh. It's so sad leaving him. Like, it's part of going. Part of going is coming back, and I know. Okay, bueno. ¿Quién es? Ah, con Anay. ¿Quién habla contigo? Tú. ¿Quién habla contigo? Tú.
Mano.
Bueno. Ujú. ¿Quién es?
Cayó.
¿Se cayó?
Cayó. Mano.
Oh. We're gonna make the smoothies. I'm starving.
Mano.
Bueno.
Mano.
Anay. ¿Quieres licuado?
Cayó.
Okay, let's go. Otra vez. Vente. Ay, good job, baby. Yummy? Yummy? We are going to the pool right now. My sister, can you see me? Right here. My sister's actually going to get in today, I think. Which is surprising because she says she doesn't really like it. I don't know. She's weird. But also she just got surgery in her mouth, as you guys saw. She just got surgery in her mouth. I didn't think she was going to want to even. Maybe she wanted to go, but I didn't think she was going to want to get in. But she's actually going to get in. She's here because we went to go take the donations. I just didn't vlog it, but she is here. And yeah. So we're going to go to her house. She's going to get ready. Then we're going to go to the pool. And then we're going to swim. So yeah, guys. So I have my GoPro. I'm not going to really record a lot just because the audio sucks. The video, like, I don't like the video either, so I'm just gonna add a little part of us at the pool. Not a lot like the other video, but yeah, guys. We will see you there. What's going on here? I should have recorded it when it was still. Let me see. They drew on her from her, what's it called? Surgery. When she was asleep. It said, "I love Kyra." Hey, it's gone. You're done? I'm done? Okay, let's go.